This 2027 Axiom Imperium I3800 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Axiom is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, spare tire kit, microwave, TV, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, oven. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, mid-living area, patio deck, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Axiom Imperium I3800 is 22,623 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.